Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Cobra. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft. You have the brass freeze plugs in there. Canton Racing oil pan, proper oil pan for the 65 Cobra. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. High flow fuel pump, all the fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filters on there. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges with the matching air cleaner. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the QuickTime Bellhousing on there for the customer's TKX 5-speed transmission. The clutch is in there, aligned, all set. Clutch fork, throwout bearing, all set up, ready to go. We even put the transmission bolts in the bell housing and the correct alignment ring size for the TKX transmission. High torque mini starter, PCV ventilation line, manifold vacuum fittings installed if needed. Electric choke wire on there, chrome fuel line. We have the high mount alternator pulley kit on there. It's real important for the Cobras for frame clearance to have the alternator high up. So it's 140 amp, one wire hookup right there. 45-degree thermostat housing, high flow thermostat installed in there, coolant bypass hose, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, all tensioned and lined, ready to go. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory, fully tested for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. So there you have it. Again, our 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.